The live concert of popular singer Zubeen Nautiyal at the Astable playground in Agartala, held as part of the annual Promo Fest organized by the Tripura Tourism Department, was marred by extreme mismanagement and ended in chaos, resulting in injuries including to a journalist. The major source of the disruption was the tourism department's gross failure in managing pass distribution relative to the seating capacity. The department issued three types of passes: VVIP, VIP and General. While VVIP and VIP passes permitted 2 people to enter, the department allegedly distributed a massive number of passes far exceeding the available of the VIP and the VVIP seats. Despite possessing valid passes, many people were unable to enter the venue. Hundreds of young men and women who had stood in long queues to collect passes but were denied entry eventually erupted in anger. The agitated crowd attempted to breach the police barricades and gates to enter the concert venue. In response, police personnel allegedly initiated an indiscriminate lathi charge on the protesting crowd. The police action caused several people to sustain head injuries, resulting in visible bloodshed. In a surprising turn of events, the department, despite hosting the event for the promotion of Tripura's tourism, ignored the state's journalist. A local journalist, Jewel Saha, who was at the scene to cover the unexpected violence, was also targeted. Journalist Saha sustained injuries and was immediately taken to IGM hospital for treatment. Following the incident, leaders of the state's media fraternity, including Pranab Sarkar, President of Agartala Press Club, Ranjit Devarma, Executive Member, Saurajit Pal, Secretary, Tripura Electronic Media Society, and journalist Anal Roy Chaudhary proceeded to the West Agartala Police Station to file a GD entry regarding the attack on Jewel Saha. Speaking to the media, Pranab Sarkar confirmed the filing of the GD and stated that journalist Jewel Saha had reportedly sustained a fractured leg bone. He added that further legal steps would be taken collectively after internal discussions.
আজকে রাত্রে বিবেকানন্দ ময়দানে যখন প্রোমো ফেস্ট প্রোগ্রাম চলছিল তখন অনেকে আছেন যে পাস সহ ওনারা ঢুকতে পারছিলেন না। তখন যখন ঢোকার চেষ্টা করছিলাম তখন পুলিশ লাঠিচার্জ করেছে। ওই সময় আমাদের সাংবাদিক জুয়েল সাহা নিউজ আইকনের যখন ছবি তুলতে গেছে ওকে খুব ব্রুটালি এখানে মারা হয়েছে। ও হাঁটতে পারছে না। তো ডাক্তার দেখে আইজিএমে গেছে, আইজিএম থেকে দেখে আবার ওকে আবার এক্সরে করতে বলেছে। সম্ভবত ওর হাড় ভেঙে গেছে। তো আজকে আমরা দাদা অনল রায় চৌধুরী এসছেন, সুরজিৎ পাল তারা এসছেন। তো সবাই মিলে আমরা এখানে পশ্চিম থানা জিডি এন্ট্রি করে গেছি। ওনারা আমাদের নাম্বার দিয়ে বলছে। পরে আমরা এই বিষয়টা নিয়ে সবাই মিলে বসে যা করার আমরা পরবর্তী সময় করব।
The incident has sparked widespread criticism, particularly concerning the tourism department's accountability. Despite the administrative failure, the artist Zubeen Nautiyal did not disappoint the audience inside the venue, performing numerous songs and winning the hearts of the spectators. Report to be Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.